Ok, hello guys, chào các em nha. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn tập lại cách phát âm của các từ vựng mà tuần trước cô giáo đã dạy nha. Unit 3, Peoples of Vietnam. Peoples of Vietnam. Ancestor, ancestor, ancestor. Basic, basic, basic. Complicated, complicated, complicated. Costume, costume, costume. Curious, curious, curious. Custom, 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 custom. Diverse, diverse, diverse. Diversity, diversity, diversity. Diverse, diversity. Ethnic, ethnic, ethnic group, ethnic group. Ethnic minority people, ethnic minority people, ethnic minority people, ethnic minority people, ethnic minority people. Gather, gather. Heritage, heritage, heritage. Hunt, hunt. Insignificant, 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 insignificant. Majority, majority, majority. Minority, minority. Multicultural, 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 multicultural. Recognize, recognize, recognize. Shawl, shawl. Em đang bận đi. Shawl, shawl. Speciality, speciality, speciality. Speciality, speciality. Stilt house, still house, stilt house. Terraced field, terraced field, terraced fields. Tradition, 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 tradition. Unique, 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 unique. Water wheel, water wheel, water wheel. Ok, các bạn nhớ luyện tập đầy đủ nha. Bye bye guys.